Welcome to another Do Not Disturb dog walk. Hey, that's cool that it's my mum's dogs on the watch face at the moment. I mean, it's mostly pictures of my dogs that randomly appear on here. But yeah, my mum's dogs are in there just as to honour them. And it's good because this weekend we've actually been spending time with my mum and her dogs. Except for one of them in that picture. She passed away during the past year. Yeah, so I think this is our first get together that she isn't at. My mum's dog Tessie, bless her, she was lovely. Anyway, I've got both our dogs on this walk. We've been meandering around in this little bit of bush here, south of the falls, just to take care of these dogs' private business before we roll camera, and also because this bush is quite nice. This is a bit of a white noise episode, folks. That noise you hear is the fast moving river, which is just here. We're following the direction of the river, and you know, the title of this episode is Huka Falls for a reason. It's a big waterfall we're going to go see today, so stay tuned to watch that, or quickly switch to another episode if you know, spoiler alert, if you'd rather come and see it with your own eyes. Don't let us spoil it for you. But I suppose if you clicked on this episode, you're a willing participant, and if it's come on randomly, hey, this is a pretty marvellous tourist attraction that they've got here in Wairakei, north of Taupō. And yeah, we've enjoyed a road trip up here for my mum's birthday. It's been good. And another dog who deserves an honourable mention, I wouldn't have minded actually bringing him for a walk, except that he really doesn't like me. All his life he's been, he looks at me like I'm a terrorist. Anyway, his name's Bowie. He's a beautiful dog, family dog. He's been spending time with us too. It's interesting because he seems to be a bit more standoffish with me when I visit him at his house. But we've all gathered here in the middle of New Zealand's North Island here, because, well, my mum lives at the whole other end of the island, to the end of the island that I live at, so it's like meeting in the middle. There's our road trip waka, for those who've never seen it. We are bus livers, we live in that bus. Isn't that marvellous? Yep, and first thing I want to say, lately, I want to try and remember to say this at the beginning of every episode, is go on ahead and click that like button and you'll see that YouTube has given us, and other dog related content, a like button that briefly shows you a dog paw when you click it. If you don't believe me, test it out and try. Hello! Twins!
My mum's got little dogs, so you're fine.
Kia ora.
He doesn't want to be your friend. Say bye.
Huka Falls. Yeah. Maybe we'll use that for the thumbnail for this episode. I usually try to make sure the dog is visible in all the thumbnails, but every now and again we do not. Oh. You never know, eh? With some dogs. I find it hilarious. It's not funny, she said. To the side. pick this little guy up. Hold on to him tight so he doesn't fall over the edge. Get some zoom in on this for you folks. You'll be mesmerised. So you want to see the downstream side. See how Quigley's loving it. Is he loving it? Does he look anxious to you? How are you, Quigley? How you doing, buddy? Good.
He's so cute.
Kia ora. Where did Tautau go? In case you didn't catch it, I'm carrying him. He likes to be carried. He's a little baby dog. See? I got him. This way. Quigs. What do you think of that, Tautau? Yeah, so one time many years ago I came here with a friend. He's a whitewater kayak enthusiast. So he did a couple of passes. I obviously had to wait for him to go back upstream and come back down again each time. But I was here, poised and ready with the camera to make some recordings of him rocking his kayak on down here. Oh. Quigley's really being quite hyperactive at the moment. Very exciting. Te kuri. I think this bit here might be the most treacherous bit. You know, if you're imagining coming down it in a kayak. I was going to go there, but they're running their photographs there. suppose we'll go over there for that view of it. I might put you down because my arm's getting tired. He's so little, but he still does tire out my arm, having to hold him up like that. Yeah. Might be fine. It might be difficult just to find a gap in the fence that we can occupy for the views. That's him asking me to pick him up. You're getting your muddy paw prints all over me, mate. I mean, they're not muddy, it's just gravelly dirt. Okay, I'll show you the view. Come on then. Look. Have a look. You see? Right there. Well, it's a 2-hour walk to the dam. I don't think we'll be doing that. That's what that sign says. But I do want to go for a bit more of bush walking. Alright, I'll pick you up. Here we go. Come on then. This way. Carry in my other arm actually. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I've got to get around to doing the housekeeping quality assurance guidelines for our YouTube channel. I've got a couple of slogans. I'm trying to make a meme within the channel. You know, because regular viewers won't mind. I assume they won't mind. And if you're a new viewer, I want everyone to know that make some promises during these recordings. Represented by a couple of slogans. The first slogan is, never mind the 6 o'clock news. Hello. Which is exactly what it sounds like. Hi.
Hi.
Hey. Yeah, I talk and tour guide throughout every episode, but I've made it a rule not to talk about anything that's on the 6 o'clock news. And that's a quality assurance guideline because I want you to know that I'm not using this YouTube channel to come and rant and rave to you about politics and la-di-da, dumb stuff I call it. So it's a happy, healthy mental health headspace for you all to enjoy it with us. And the number 2 slogan, pun intended, is show us the poop. That's the slogan. Show us the poop. As if you were all mad that you don't get to see the poop. Yeah, because as far as you guys are all concerned, I've got these magical never pooping dogs, because although I might accidentally film it sometimes, I always edit that stuff out, so it never makes it to broadcast. It's bad enough you have to look at my dog's butt all the time. You do not want to see the poop happening. Hey, Quigley. That's Quigley's own private business. We'll go along this trail a little bit further and then I think we'll start heading back. We're not going to make this a super long recording. We're having a lazy Sunday after all. We've got Tautau with us. He's not a super dog like Quigley, full of energy. Quigley can walk for hours. Tautau with his tiny little legs, we just like to go easy on him. And that means also carrying him, which I do tire of. Hey, wouldn't mind a little backpack thing that he can ride in, that would be good. Maybe we'll do that one day, we'll see. Oh, he wants back up again. You're crazy, mate. You do love walking, don't you? No, let's go walking. Come on. Keep walking. Yeah, so I guess what's funny about the number 2 rule is that you don't get to see the poop, but you don't get to go a single episode without me bringing it up. Hey, but everybody knows that if you own a dog, that's what you have, that's your main responsibility. Obviously, you've got to put food in one end and then you've got to get it out the other end. Oh, I've been doing a lot of that this weekend. Personally, a family gathering, so I'm sort of out here getting this exercise to try and walk that off. Oh my god, we have had an indulgent weekend of marvellous foods. I had some yummy foods, alright. Yep, so spent 2 straight days hanging out in this part of the country, and tomorrow is the day for the big drive home. And I haven't even really thought about it, but somewhere along the way home, we'll get out and we'll record another dog walk, I think. That'll be good. I feel compelled to do so when we go travelling, that's for sure. Because it's, you know, when we're stuck down home, there's only so many times we can go recording on the local walks. I don't want to overexpose places or be just publishing the same places all the time. And it used to be good. Most of the past few years, Quigley and I have been cross-country freight truck drivers. Well, I'm the driver and he rides along. And so I quite often was able to make time in every working day to take us somewhere different and make a recording for the channel. But yeah, come to the end of last year and the first half of this year, it hasn't really been a thing. Hey Quigs, no more cross-country truck driving for a while, which has really put a dent in our enthusiasm for making recordings, because of a penchant for going to new and interesting places. But we have still been making content at home, and some pretty cool ones too. And there is a lot that we can do now that the bicycle's back on the road. Just need to find the time and energy for me and Quigley to get out and film more bike rides. I'm pretty certain that he loves running along with me beside the bicycle. All of these years of walking, I've always known that he'd love to go faster. Whenever I run, he'll run. He loves it. And he definitely has more stamina than I do. Quigley. Oh, well, that's the 20-minute mark, so if we turn around now, it'll be about another quarter hour of recording. We usually do at least 30 minutes and a maximum of an hour for these recordings. And I don't want to wear out my little dog, so it's time to announce to them that we're going back this way. Let's go this way, back the way we came. Sniff all the same things again in reverse order, thank you. Good boys. Good boys. Good boys. Come on, Quigley. Oh, I needed this. Needed this at nature time. And I hope for many of you viewers out there that it's not the same, is it? Watching it from wherever you are. I hesitate to say watching from home. I know some of you will be at home, but some of you might be on a plane or on a train or at the beach yourself. You know, like, hey, I didn't bring a book to read, I'll just watch some YouTube videos. I don't know, like wherever you are. I hope that the good vibes and the good buzz of this nature walk can vicariously transfer to you. It's not the same as doing it in real life, right? Just like one of the reasons I called this Do Not Disturb dog walks is because I've always had this kind of ethos of focusing on what's right in front of me, the dog, and everything. And leaving the phone at home, or switching the phone off at least. Or putting it in Do Not Disturb mode, because if anyone wants to call or text or trying to bother me, too bad. That's where it comes from. But in our real life, the real Do Not Disturb dog walks are the ones that you don't get to see. Because we're doing pretty much exactly that, but also without recording. So I guess I do my best not to feel disturbed by the presence of you viewers. Hi.
Hello. G'day.
Because about the only thing that's different between this and a normal dog walk is that I don't feel compelled to narrate the walk as we go. It's just me and the dogs, and I hardly say anything. And I generally swerve and avoid the public either way, but can't help it. Everywhere we go, the dogs are cute, and people go, "Oh, your dogs are so cute." That's the reality of it. And even when I'm in a bad mood, that kind of cheers me up. And we don't meet annoying people very often. Can't say not at all. Every now and again, like once in a blue moon, there's annoying people. But it's only happened like a couple of times in our recording history. And in this episode, I'm going to have to go into the edit and edit out an annoying person. We didn't actually talk to them, but they were doing an annoying thing, which I don't think is fit for broadcast. It's such an annoying thing. I could take that clip of the recording and send it to the police because it was a crime. But, nah. I'll show you this again, just because we can. It is quite marvellous. Toto's asking me to bring him up. He must be wanting to have another look. Look, you see? Look, it's quite marvellous. It's quite marvellous, my doggy. Look at that. Beautiful. You alright, Quicks? Hey, you know what, you fellas? I'm going to give you a drink of water before we go. Okay? You guys deserve a drinkies. You guys thirsty? This is my makeshift water bowl. It's just a plastic lid, screw lid off a container. That's all we really need for supplying dogs with water here. No, I just dispense from, if I get you to move, I just dispense it from the water bladder backpack hose. Look, can you just be careful? You look like you're first in the queue for water, Toto. Yep. Hey, come here. No, Quigley's first in the queue. You wait. You wait. Do you want some water? Yeah. You drinking some water? Good boy, you drink the water. Did it quickly save you enough? I'll put some more in. Watch out, you'll get wet. Yeah. Drink the water. Want some water? It sounds like a jet boat. Maybe we'll get to film a jet boat from up here. Down there. There it is. It's doing another loop. Is it? There it is. Marvellous. Oh, I'm glad that happened. Make this recording a bit more exciting. Are you going to drink some more water, Toto? Yeah? Water? No, you've had enough? Quigley? You want some water? No, you've had enough. Right. The little pill bottle is Quigley's antihistamines. Yeah, okay, I'll pick you up. Sweet as, mate. Let's go walkies. Come on then. Yep, still no idea what it was that Quigley ate that time where he broke out in hives. But now it's like, well, he's definitely allergic to something. And if we come across it again, I want antihistamines on hand. I don't even know if I really need to bring them with us or if they could just be at home. But I keep them in our kit. Oh, it's doggy paradise. Friendly, friendly. Hello.
Oh, I love dogs. That little guy in your hand, so cute. Is he old?
I think he's 3.
Oh,
Does he look like an old man?
looks too tired to walk.
Oh, nah. I think he's got enough energy for walking, but he begs me to pick him up, so I just do whenever he asks. Especially when other dogs come, he goes, "Oh, quick, pick me up," because he's a bit frightened.
Oh, you're so cute. Little tiny thing, eh?
Yeah.
Woody, you big suck.
Are you having a belt?
Hey?
Do you just clip it onto your belt, or is it an actual?
He's on my belt, yeah.
That is genius.
It's really good for when we go bike riding, because he just runs beside me, but that keeps him under control.
And is it literally just this around you, or is it a real belt? I'm so sick of holding. That's so sick.
It's got a clip like this, see?
That's epic.
And it's mostly made out of all the same thing, but it's got a bit of a springy bit in the middle.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
So you're not like getting your spine out of whack.
It does take a bit of that possibility out of it, but he still pulls pretty hard sometimes.
Hey, at least your hand's free. Now for the other dog. You can...
Yeah. That's one of the main reasons when I've got the both of them, I at least get hands free on one of them. Yeah.
We
Can't
had
find.
this is a double leg to be like easier, but they're awful on it, so they're just both on that one. But
Yeah.
it's supposed to be one on each dog.
Yeah, I had a go at doing that with these two, but he's so big that he just drags him around and it's dangerous, so ended that experiment pretty quickly. But with two equally, like more or less equal sized dogs like yours, it could work out alright. I've co-walked him with another dog slightly bigger than him and it worked out alright.
Oh yeah. I don't know, I think these two are a bit dumb to work together. They suddenly just want to, as soon as they're together, they're like, opposite ways, or just, yeah.
What kind of dogs are these?
Standard poodle and labradoodle.
Ah, labradoodle.
What about yours?
We theorised his father was a foxy of some kind and his mother was a bichon. So he's a bit of a bastard, what do you call it, a mongrel. And then, we don't know, maybe border collie and staffy and this guy. But they're both SPCA rescues.
Oh, I love
And we had to raise them from little tiny puppies because they were separated at birth.
Aww,
Yeah.
that's nice. I like that you did that. These are just family dogs, but I would love these.
Yeah.
Oh, well, lovely to meet you.
Kia ora. Enjoy your walkies. See you later. This way. Oh, that was a beautiful encounter. Except for Tautō yelling right next to the camera. Sorry, viewers. I do like that there is some volume normalization that goes into these digital recordings. So hopefully it doesn't like blast your ears too much. Hello. Hey. Well, that, folks, was Huka Falls. This is Huka Falls. And, yeah, no, recording it doesn't do justice. You've got to come here. You've got to feel the water that's spraying up into the air. Feel it land on your face. If you ever do come to our beautiful country, we hope you get to come here and see this and other marvellous places like this. But it is one of the reasons that we make this content, and that is to share it with all you unlucky souls out there on planet Earth who will never get to come here. Unfortunately for you, that's just the way it is. We're a very small, well-guarded nation, and there are so many billions of people on this planet. The vast majority of you will never get to see this place. That's the way I look at it. So we're happy to share that with you. And also, it's about having gratitude for the beauty of this place that we live and sharing that with you. To be honest, I'm not really the biggest fan of the crowded places, but we do have, sometimes we do have to, because we like to attend events sometimes. I've got a penchant for car shows and truck shows and festival events, for the most part. I'm sure that to dogs, crowds of people just smell like chemicals. Mostly. Because that's what it smells like to me. Faintly. All the different perfumes and things that people wear. Or that there be the end. Home sweet home and all of that. A beautiful home on wheels. I think we've got a supermarket mission after this. And then head back to the big fat Airbnb that my family rented for the weekend. And get ready to have a big dinner tonight. Yeah. So yeah, we've had enough of walking for today, but if you haven't had enough, of course, there's hundreds of hours of dog walk recordings on our YouTube channel for you to enjoy. So I'd encourage you to do so. Load up the playlist, play it back on shuffle, watch it for hours and hours, leave it running for your dogs that are at home to watch while you're not home. Tautau, haere mai. Sorry. Cute doggies. Yeah, boy. Yeah, so this is the bit where I say thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.